Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play football nicely. Playing football nicely means embracing sportsmanship and fair play. It involves understanding and following all the rules of the game, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. Always show respect to your opponents, teammates, and the officials. Maintaining a positive attitude, regardless of the score, sets a great example for all participants. Fair play is crucial for a positive football experience. Always avoid aggressive tackles or any dangerous play that could injure another player. If an opponent falls, offer a hand to help them up. It shows great sportsmanship. Remember to shake hands with your opponents and the officials both before and after the match, demonstrating mutual respect. Effective and positive communication is key to playing nicely. Speak clearly and constructively with your teammates, offering encouragement rather than criticism. Celebrate successes together, fostering a strong team spirit. If disagreements arise, address them calmly and respectfully, focusing on solutions rather than conflict. This approach builds a more enjoyable and cohesive team environment. Handling game outcomes gracefully is a hallmark of playing nicely. Always accept the referee's decisions without argument, even if you disagree. If your team loses, sincerely congratulate the winning team on their performance. Focus on learning from any mistakes made during the game and strive for personal and team improvement in future matches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.